Welcome to Wealth Academy with George, the channel dedicated to helping you navigate the exciting world of investment. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button to stay informed. My mission here is simple: to make the complex world of finance and investment accessible to everyone. Whether you're an experienced investor or just starting out on your wealth-building journey, this is your go-to resource for insightful, practical advice. Today, I am diving into the world of cryptocurrency investing. Ready? Let's get started. For those who believed in Bitcoin early and put in just $100 at the start of 2010, they would have gotten about 33,333 Bitcoins. The price of Bitcoin went up to $70,000 in March of 2024. Like in our example, this small start would now be worth an amazing $2.3 billion. Quite a shocking fact, isn't it? Now let's explore the allure of cryptocurrency. At its core, cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that relies on encryption techniques to secure transactions. Its decentralized nature is a key feature that sets it apart from traditional fiat currencies. This means no central authority, like a government or bank, has control over it. But why is it attractive for investment? Well, it's primarily about the potential for high returns. The value of cryptocurrencies can skyrocket in a short period, as we saw with Bitcoin and Ethereum, among others. This volatility, while risky, is part of the allure. It's like a high-stakes game of poker where the payoff can be enormous. Sounds enticing, doesn't it? But remember, with great potential comes great risk. You might think you need to be a millionaire to start investing in cryptocurrency, but guess what? That's not true. Cryptocurrency is a realm where anyone can play, regardless of how deep their pockets are. The beauty of this digital money is that it's fractional, meaning you don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can invest with what you have, even if it's as little as $100. Sure, you won't become a billionaire overnight with such a modest sum. But remember, every great journey begins with a single step. In the world of crypto, your $100 is that first step. It's your ticket to understanding how the market works, learning about the risks, and potentially growing your investment over time. So with just a small sum, you can step into the world of cryptocurrency. Excited yet? So, you're ready to start investing, but where do you begin? Well, let's take this one step at a time. First, you'll need to choose a platform for investing. Think of it as your base of operations. There are many options available, but some of the top contenders are Coinbase and Binance. Both platforms are renowned for their ease of use, security features, and comprehensive educational resources, making them ideal for beginners. With Coinbase, you get a user-friendly interface and the ability to buy crypto with fiat currency directly. Binance, on the other hand, offers a wider range of cryptocurrencies and lower transaction fees. Now, on to the next step, selecting cryptocurrencies for your investment. While Bitcoin and Ethereum are the titans of the crypto world and represent solid choices for beginners, don't overlook the potential in smaller, emerging cryptocurrencies. Ripple, Litecoin, and Cardano are just a few examples of altcoins that have shown promise. Remember, diversity can be a strength in your investment portfolio. Once you've chosen your platform and decided on your investments, it's time to sign up. You'll need to provide an email and follow the verification process. Setting a strong password is a must, and don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for added security. Now you may be wondering, where do I store my cryptocurrency? While you can keep your crypto on the exchange, for added security, consider transferring it to a private wallet. Software wallets, like Exodus or Jax, offer convenience and are perfect for beginners. But if you're after maximum security, consider a hardware wallet like Trezor or Ledger. These are physical devices that store your crypto offline, safe from potential hackers. Regularly check the performance of your cryptocurrency. Staying informed is crucial. Tools like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko offer real-time data on prices, market cap, and volume, helping you make informed decisions. For deeper analysis, platforms like TradingView provide advanced charting tools to identify trends and patterns. Also, consider setting up price alerts. Finally, let's talk about risks. Cryptocurrency is volatile. Prices can skyrocket one day and plummet the next. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, and always do your research before making any investment decisions. The crypto community is vast and vibrant. Platforms like Reddit and Crypto Compare are treasure troves of insights, discussions, and advice. Engaging with these communities can provide invaluable perspectives and help you stay ahead of market trends. And there you have it, your first steps into the world of crypto investing. But remember, with investing, understanding the risks is crucial. Always stay informed and don't be afraid to ask questions. After all, every successful investor was once a beginner, just like you. Wondering if people really do make money with cryptocurrency? Let's look at some success stories. Picture this, a college student in the early 2000s investing $100 into a little-known digital currency called Bitcoin. Fast forward to today, and that initial investment is worth $1.2 billion. Then there's the story of a grandmother who decided to dabble in Ethereum. She started with just a small amount, not expecting much. To her surprise, the value of her investment skyrocketed over a few short years to $650,000. And let's not forget the countless everyday people who, despite knowing very little about the world of crypto, decided to take the plunge. They read, they learned, they invested small, and saw their investments grow. These stories are real, and they're out there. Inspiring, isn't it? But remember, while these stories are encouraging, they are not guarantees of success. So, you've had a crash course in cryptocurrency investing. What's next? Well, this is where the real fun begins. You've got the basics down, you've looked at some platforms, and you've even heard some success stories. Now, it's time to make your own story. And don't worry, you're not alone in this journey. Here at Wealth Academy with George, I am all about creating a community of learners and investors. We learn from each other, we grow together, and we celebrate each other's successes. So how can you be a part of this community? It's simple. Get involved. Ask questions. If there's something you're not quite sure about, or if there's something you want to know more about, don't hesitate to ask. Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and will respond to your queries. Remember, there's no such thing as a stupid question when it comes to investing. Every query is a step towards building a strong investment mindset. In addition to asking questions, I also encourage you to share your experiences. Your journey, your challenges, your victories, they're all valuable. They not only help you reflect and learn, but they also inspire others. Who knows, your story might just be the push someone needs to take their first step into the world of cryptocurrency. And if there's a topic you're particularly interested in, let me know. I am always looking for fresh ideas for our videos, and your suggestions are more than welcome. Don't forget to like and share if you enjoyed the video. Remember, I post 2 to 3 videos a week, so stay tuned for more. Until then, happy investing.